Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now have access to the bulbs in the headlights. To replace the high beam bulbs, remove the light cap cover, pivoting it a quarter turn to the left. Take the flat part in your fingers and pivot it a quarter turn to the left. Put everything back into the light compartment and lock it in place by making a quarter turn clockwise. Put the light cap cover, pivoting it a quarter turn to the right. To replace the dip beams and parking light bulbs, remove the light cap cover, pulling directly on it. Remove the electrical connected to the bulb by pulling on the black part and not on the wire itself. To release the bulb, all you have to do is simultaneously press on it and push the holding hook to the left to free the studs. Then, remove the bulb. When putting the bulb back in, it is important to consider its orientation. Based on the model, identify the keyed connections. Position the bulb in its housing, then push the hooks down and finish by locking it into the holding studs. Then, reconnect the power connector. The side lights are located on the upper right of the dip beams bulb. Take the block power terminal and pull on it, making slight back and forward movements to release it. This will allow the bulb to come out of its housing. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Put the new one into the plastic base. Then, insert the whole thing into the headlight. Put the rubber cover back on. To replace the indicator bulbs, hold the tab with the ends of your fingers and turn it towards the left. Everything should come out very easily. To remove the bulb, press on it and give it a quarter turn. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. To put everything back, insert the headlight housing and give it a quarter turn clockwise. Operation completed.